Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix CapCut network error on PC. So first things first, you want to go ahead and of course check your internet connection. If it's working great and everything else is working, then that's not the problem. So the next step would be to close this CapCut project section. And now you will be redirected to this dashboard where you want to go ahead and click on this gear icon. And you want to go ahead and look for which version of CapCut you are having. You can also go ahead and click on network testing. So my network, as you can see, is stable. And look for the latest version of CapCut. That's most of the time is the problem that you have outdated CapCut version. If that is not also a problem, now you want to go ahead again, click on that gear icon and click on settings. And what you want to do now is go ahead and clear cache. As you can see, there is some, so you want to go ahead, click here and clean it. Clear cache files, click OK. Now, once the cache is removed, you can go ahead and try again with that network error. Now, the last thing would be check if you are using VPN or not. If yes, if this problem appeared when you started using a VPN, then you may need to go ahead and turn it off and then see if the CapCut is working. And of course, don't forget to go ahead and just turn off CapCut completely and maybe try to uninstall it. So following these steps, it should let you resolve network error in CapCut PC. If you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe and leave a like on this video. Bye.